came to Meredith to get one photo. Will I get it? We will wait and see. Meredith is a small, cozy little town along the lake, which comprises of only around 6,000 people. So getting around is fairly simple. I'm actually around 1 to 2 weeks before the peak colors, and the leaves along the lake haven't turned much yet, but further inside the inner trees have. You can tell later on from the video. The fall colors doesn't come to you, you have to chase it. So let's get going, shall we? The Laverick Nature Trail is a flat and easy 1 mile round trip hike, so no excuses on this hike here. And right off the bat, we were blasted with these gleaming red maples telling me to stop. The big difference between the colors here compared to, say, Colorado is that the deep reds are in abundance here, and they are striking. You have to see them in person. The video here is from the full-frame camera and ungraded, but I only had to add a teeny bit of saturation, way less than I normally would have in any regular video. The GoPro and drone shots, I didn't even have to add any saturation. I've been to Colorado to see the fall colors there 3 times, and now seeing these reds here in detail, I need more time to compare. I had to come back in the evening time, and it was kinda dark, so the footage here isn't ideal. But time was not on my side. I had to increase the shadows and reduce the noise, so the footage is kinda muddy. And of course, we spent some time roaming around the lake and exploring the shops, trying out some local sweets and such, and it was quite nice. Okay, I believe I went to this one spot like 4 times, trying to get the shot that I wanted of the lake with the main town in the background. So, I'll need this, I'll take my tripod, a second tripod, oh heck, give me another tripod. Well, one's for Marlin. The clouds here are really nice, however, it's not located at the spot that I wanted it. I wanted the main focus to be the town, not the sky. As time progressed, the clouds started to dissipate. Really? So I had to decide to include the clouds, making the town like only 20% of the photo, or skip the sky entirely. I decided on keeping the focus on the town itself. So there are 3 different pictures here in this video. The picture in the beginning of the video is on one day, and the other pictures here later on are on different days. Off to the skies we go. Sorry duckies, I didn't mean to fly over you. You just happened to swim into my view. And sorry, I totally forgot to take a photo from the drone. Well, enjoy the rest of the video.